Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. How often do you use your microwave? Maybe to heat leftovers, warm coffee, or make a quick snack. Probably more than you think. But not all microwaves are the same. Some are small and simple, perfect for dorms or tiny kitchens. Others are bigger, more powerful, and even smart. They make cooking much easier. Today, I will show you 5 great microwaves that get the job done. I'll share what's good, what could be better, and which one might fit your kitchen. Stick around. You might find your next favorite microwave. Product number 1. BLACK+DECKER EM720CB7 Digital Microwave Oven. The BLACK+DECKER EM720CB7 is a compact microwave that blends style, safety, and ease of use. It offers 700 watts of power and a 0.7 cubic foot interior, making it a nice fit for small kitchens, offices, or dorm rooms. You get 10 different power settings and handy one-touch buttons for common foods like pizza, potatoes, popcorn, and drinks. The digital control panel is clear and simple, while the push-button door adds convenience. Inside, the 10-inch glass turntable rotates smoothly to make sure food heats evenly. Safety comes built in with a child lock, so parents can feel at ease when kids are around. The stainless steel finish looks sleek, adds a modern touch, and matches well with other appliances. Even though it's compact, it still covers all the basics you need. It's reliable, budget-friendly, and perfect if you just want a no-fuss option for quick meals, snacks, or reheating leftovers after a long day. Pros: small and light, so it fits well in tight spaces. Easy controls make it friendly for first-time users. Cons: lower power means food can take longer to heat. Comment: a smart pick if you need a budget microwave for snacks or quick meals. Product number 2. COMFEE EM720CPL PMB Countertop Microwave Oven. The COMFEE EM720CPL PMB is a neat and compact option that's both quiet and efficient. It runs on 700 watts with a 0.7 cubic foot capacity, so it's best for smaller spaces like dorms, apartments, or office kitchens. One-touch cooking buttons make it super easy to use, and you'll find settings for popcorn, drinks, and more. A standout feature is the mute mode, which lets you turn off the beeping sound perfect if you're heating food late at night and don't want to wake anyone up. Another plus is the eco mode, which cuts power use by up to 50% when the microwave is on standby, saving energy and lowering bills over time. The simple black design looks clean and modern, while the clear display and responsive buttons make operations smooth. It's lightweight, portable, and very beginner-friendly. This model is a great match if you want something practical that's easy on energy, quiet when needed, and just the right size for everyday snacks and quick meals. Pros: quiet mode is a lifesaver in shared spaces. Eco mode helps save energy and cut costs. Cons: smaller size limits the types of dishes you can heat. Comment: if you want something small, quiet, and easy on power, this one is for you. Product number 3. TOSHIBA EM131A5C BS Countertop Microwave Oven. The TOSHIBA EM131A5C BS is a larger, more powerful microwave that brings smart cooking features into your kitchen. It runs at 1,000 watts and has a roomy 1.2 cubic foot interior, making it a great choice for families or anyone who cooks bigger meals. One of the best features is the built-in smart humidity sensor. This technology automatically adjusts the time and power, so your food cooks evenly without drying out or burning. There are 12 auto menus to make cooking easier, covering common foods like pizza, rice, and vegetables. The 12.4-inch removable turntable gives plenty of space for large plates and casserole dishes. The easy clean interior helps keep it fresh, while the eco mode reduces energy use. You also get a mute function to silence alerts, which adds a nice touch. Its black stainless steel finish looks sleek, modern, and blends well with any kitchen. If you want both size and smarts, this microwave really delivers convenience and style in one unit. Pros: smart sensor prevents food from drying out or overcooking. Large size is great for family meals or bigger plates. Cons: takes up more counter space than smaller models. Comment: perfect if you need more space, more power, and smart features in one unit. Product number 4. Chefman Countertop Microwave Oven. The Chefman Countertop Microwave is a simple and compact choice that still packs in useful features. With 700 watts of power and a 0.7 cubic foot capacity, it's great for quick meals and small kitchens. It includes 10 power levels and 6 one-touch cooking presets, so you can heat food without guessing the time. Express Cook is another handy feature that lets you start heating right away, while Eco Mode cuts down power use when not in use. For safety, there's a child lock that prevents kids from opening or adjusting it by mistake. You can also turn off the beep with the mute button, which is helpful for shared spaces or quiet nights. The black design is basic yet neat, blending into most kitchens without standing out too much. While it doesn't have advanced features like sensors, it handles daily heating needs with ease. This model is a good match for anyone who wants something affordable, space-saving, and easy to use every day. Pros: small size makes it great for limited counter space. Simple controls and presets save time and effort. Cons: food can take a bit longer to cook due to low wattage. Comment: a handy, low-cost option if you want quick heat without the extras. Product number 5. TOSHIBA ML EM09PA SS Small Microwave Oven. The TOSHIBA ML EM09PA SS is a compact yet powerful microwave designed for small kitchens, dorms, and apartments. With 900 watts of power and a 0.9 cubic foot capacity, it's faster than many small models, but still fits comfortably in limited spaces. It features 6 auto menus for common meals like pizza, popcorn, and veggies, along with a mute function and child lock for extra safety. The LED display is bright, the controls are simple, and the 10.6-inch removable glass turntable makes cleaning easy. Its stainless steel finish gives it a modern touch, making it look stylish on any counter. While slightly heavier than some compact models, it balances speed, size, and design at an affordable price. Pros: faster cooking than most compact microwaves. Sleek stainless steel finish adds style. Cons: a bit heavier compared to smaller models. Comment: a smart choice for those wanting compact size with strong power and style. I share helpful videos for you every day. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below if you have any questions. Feel free to comment, I'm ready to reply. We've done in-depth research ourselves to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.